Okay, Wing Rider back for part 2 of the grocery run to Winn-Dixie. I'm just leaving Winn-Dixie now. Man, it's just beautiful weather. Warming up a bit. Madison, Florida. Oh, how you doing, whoever you are? I don't know if the audio is that great. Like in the first video, part 1, I was saying that the external mic that I got for my GoPro went bad on me, so I got out my old microphone, and I think it works okay. I did a video the other day, that the last one, part 1 and 2, the brake job on the Goldwing, and I had the open face helmet and the wind was getting to the audio a little bit, even though I've got a foam cover over it and everything. This mic is real sensitive. So anyway, I got the full face helmet on and I've got it inside, so maybe it's a little better. And I don't know about the angle on the camera. Sometimes I get too much sky, sometimes too much dash on the Goldwing, and pain in the ass. So, but beautiful day, man. Not a cloud in the sky. Temperature's like 70 degrees. If you have a motorcycle on Saturday, 70 degrees. If you have a motorcycle and you're not out riding it today, you got something wrong with you, or you're too busy or something. I don't know. Man, it's beautiful. $70 degrees and clear sky. And Saturday, of course I'm retired, so every day to me is Saturday. Just about. I'll whip into there. Chief might be in there. Madison Fire. Hey Roger, there's a fire truck, buddy. Check it out. Madison County Fire Department. Oh. I wonder if you miss it, Roger. You just retired from the fire department up there where you're at. Are you missing them already? Okay, let me kill this one. Wing Rider.